What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Mr. Bostic coming at you with another technology tutorial. Today we're going to be taking a look into OneDrive. That is a Microsoft Office 365 product. So here's what we're going to do. First, we're going to, for our assignment, we're going to download the following document. Remember, before you click anything, to download it, you can click on this little arrow over here. Okay, so click on the arrow. It's going to download it to your computer. Alright, you can also click on the name of it and it'll take you to this screen and you can hit download there. So when you download it, it'll pop up either down here in the bottom corner or up here in this corner, either a spot depending on your browser. You open it up and I'm going to click on the arrow and say show in folder because you want to make sure you know where it's saved, so we know it's in our downloads folder. Alright, so now that we've downloaded our file, we're going to go to OneDrive that's found inside of Office 365. Make sure you log into Clever, open up Office 365, which should already be done because that's your beginning of class steps. And then we're going to create a new folder and name it 2223 Technology. So we're going to go to our OneDrive. Once you're in OneDrive, a couple things. You can change the way you see it. If you come up here to this switch view, there's three different views. You have the list, which is what I'm in currently now. You have compact list, which makes it more compact, and then you have tiles. So if yours looks different than mine did originally, you might already be set up in a different view mode. So I like to stick to the list. We'll do it there. So to create a new folder, we're going to go up to the blue button at the top. We're going to say new. It's going to give us a drop down. We hit folder, and we're going to name this 2223 Technology. And we'll create. Alright, so there's our new folder. So we're going to click on the name of the folder to actually go into the folder. Alright, and it'll show you right up here that you're in the folder. Now, once you create a folder, we're going to upload our file that we downloaded into that folder. So we're going to go to upload, hit the little drop down arrow, and we want to upload a file. So click files, and then we need to navigate to where we saved the file. So I went into downloads and it's the OneDrive practice. Alright, got multiple copies of it on there. Alright, so I've downloaded my file, or I'm sorry, I've uploaded my file into Office 365. Now the next thing I want to do is I need to take a screenshot of my screen. Alright, so we're going to do the screen capture, Windows Shift S puts us into sketch and snip, and you want to take a screenshot of your entire screen, full thing. Alright, and then we can click on it so it pulls it up, save it, click on your save button, make sure you know where you're saving it, name it, and make sure you name it correctly, with your last name underscore first name underscore name of the assignment, and then you're good to upload it. Alright, thank you for listening. Have a good one.